ready for racing. Racing just is started. We have big, that is Dream Break weekly start. Running by the release entry number 1, and this one is Market Value rushing up now on the outside and now diving through the lead is Cole Harbor. In between horses now is Nash Immaculate, then comes Knockout Babe, then next online now is entry number 8 or rather number 6, and this one is Arithmetic. And as they swing down the back, we have Cole Harbor by our length and a half. Big Daddy's Dream is right behind in second. Market Value is racing in third. Nash is done in fourth. Immaculate comes next. Then next online now is Knockout Babe, Arithmetic, 30-30 Dear Jan. Security Prince comes next. Then followed by entry number 7 Big Bang, while Redemption now running at the tail of the field. Last 400 meters of the race, we are Big Daddy's Dream goes on by about 2 lengths, and in second is Cole Harbor, and in third comes Market Value, Immaculate, Nash as they swing for home. We are Big Daddy's Dream by about 2 lengths. Cole Harbor, Immaculate is down on the inside. Market Value is on the left side. Last 50 meters, we are Big Daddy's Dream followed by Immaculate. Third close between Market Value, Dear Jan, Cole Harbor, 30-30.
Tapos 10A.